Hi guys, I will do an unboxing of Warcraft, the collector's edition of Shadowlands, and let's see what's inside the box. I received it yesterday, so let's see what's inside. Sorry, I have to do this with one-handed because I'm recording this on my phone. So I hope I don't mess up too much. Let's see. I think it's a slide out. I have to do this with both hands, so let me see what's going on here. Oh no, it isn't a slide out. It's a Let me check how this works. I'll be right back. And I figured it out. It isn't a slide out, but it's a box. First of all, we have a very lovely box indeed. By the way, this is the content you get. You get some special in-games things. So I have to do this one-handed, and the book is really heavy, but nice, very nice. Put that aside. Very nice mouse pad. I think it's nice. It's a small one, so maybe not capable for all players. This I won't show because there are my codes, so I won't show that. And then the pins, and they are nicer in real. Let me see if I can open this. These are the pins, and they are beautiful and heavy. Let me check the book again. So the book is really nice. I just will flip through it a little bit and not to spoil too much for people. At first glance it looks very nice. So that's the content of the collector's edition from Shadow World. Let me know in the comments what covenant do you choose at this moment. I think Ardenveld is one of my favorite, but I don't know yet. See you later. Bye.